I'm Suraj.
Hi,
Firstly,
Mumbai.
మీరు చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నారు మ్యామ్.
Thank you, Andy.
So
For the others who didn't understand, translate now.
I
What did you
just
say?
said she looks very beautiful.
Oh, she does, man. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, that sounds. So I had a question about the show actually. So like the show, like you look at the show and you understand that it's about characters making mistakes and like owning up to it, and somewhere people do relate to that. So like it's something different from what you've done in the past at least. So how did you prepare for this role and what kind of fears did you come across to do such character?
I think because I've been a part of more larger than life cinema, so that always had characters that were extremely ideal, righteous, aspirational, but I hadn't played a character who was flawed and just didn't know any other way to be. So I decided to do exactly that. To begin with, I think the biggest thing that we all face today, whether we are actors or not, is we judge ourselves a lot before anybody else can judge us. So the one thing I did not do is judge myself. That allowed me to feel what I needed to feel to be the part, and that's exactly what I did.
Thank you. By the way, ma'am, I really loved your song from Jailer, Kavalaya.
Really?
I loved it.
Thank you.
Yeah, that is lit everywhere, man. That really is
Thank
there.
you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you. I'm glad you like the song. That's lovely.
All right, next who's up?
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming, first of all, and
Thank
you just look amazing. Means I don't have words. Come on, guys, let's appreciate it. Come on. I mean, खुदा ने खूबसूरती बनाई है तो उसको appreciate करना बनता है. So you look beautiful, ma'am. So my question is, I saw the entire series. It's beautiful. The bonding between the characters is just amazing. So I want to ask you, do you have this real life bonding? Because of course it's childhood friends becoming adults, and then the entire setup is just beautiful. And how do you feel about it? How are you personally connected with the entire story?
I think like I have a friend like Preet who I'm very very close to, and I think ये conversation जो आपने इसमें देखा, I think किसी ना किसी वक्त मैंने अपने best friend के साथ वो same conversation की है. So I think it's very true. Like women have these friendships which are like where there's so much like conversation, there's so much of warmth and love and affection. So yeah, I think that particular bond for me resonated very very strongly because गर्लफ्रेंड्स जितना भी लोग सोचते हैं कि लड़कियां मतलब दोस्त कैसे होती हैं and this is a new thing I've heard, like how can strong women be friends, some random stuff like that I've heard, but I feel like when you're friends you're just friends. I don't think it matters what you do, what you don't do. If you like being with someone, you are with them and you like them for who they are.
I agree. Do you have this line? Earlier it used to be when actors were very very good, especially the female actors, they said they couldn't be friends together because they were all considered very strong personalities. Has that changed over the years also within the industry also? Are you all able to be friends because you're working together so much?
मैं दूसरों के बारे में नहीं बोल सकती, but I think for me it's always been like that. I don't understand only. I mean, you can't. What you professionally do is one aspect of it. हम सब कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं. We all have to go to work. We all have to earn a living. But उसके beyond, I mean, लोग भी तो होते हैं. It's totally normal to have friendships and good ones.
Yeah, it works. Well done. All right, perfect. Next, who's up? Right there at the back over there. A big round of applause. He's wearing a G Karda shirt. Well done. You followed the memo. Well done.
हेलो
हाँ, yes.
मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा.
जो लैंग्वेज में बोलना बोल ले भाई.
मैम आपको क्या इंस्पायर किया एक्टिंग लाइन में आने के लिए? मतलब एक्टिंग लाइन में किसको, मतलब घर वाले सपोर्ट नहीं करते, तो आपको क्या इंस्पायर किया और क्यों आपने एक्टिंग साइड हाँ
That's actually बहुत ही स्वीट सा सवाल है. जब मैंने एक्टिंग करना शुरू किया था मैं 15 साल की थी, तो मैं लिटरली आई वाज अ किड. बट मेरे पिताजी ने देखा कि मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है, मुझे कैमरा के सामने परफॉर्म करना या इन जनरल स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करना, लोगों के सामने आना, कुछ पेश करना मुझे पसंद है. दैट्स समथिंग आई लाइक डूइंग एंड ही नोटिस दैट. सो इट्स शायद मेरे माँ बाप ने ये फ्लेयर मुझ में बहुत ही बचपन में देखा और उन्होंने बोला कि yes of course this is a talent that you have and they chose to support it. और शायद अगर उनका सपोर्ट नहीं होता तो मैं शायद इतना दूर नहीं पहुंचती. इनफैक्ट टू बिगिन विथ मेरी माँ को ये पसंद नहीं था कि मैं एक एक्टर बनूं, क्योंकि उस वक्त पे इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं था कि ये प्रोफेशन कैसा है, ये इंडस्ट्री कैसी है, लोग कैसे हैं. तो मेरे माता पिता दोनों ने एट सम पॉइंट और द अदर मेरे साथ ट्रैवल किया ताकि वो मेरे जर्नी को करीबी से देख सकें और मुझे करीबी से सपोर्ट कर सकें, ताकि अगर आई एम हैविंग अ बैड डे, कुछ मेरे लाइफ में अच्छा नहीं चल रहा, मैं किसी चीज़ को लेकर दुख में हूँ, वो हमेशा मेरे साथ थे. सो इवन दो इट्स यू नो इट आई वाज वेरी वेरी यंग, ये सपोर्ट मुझे अपने घर पे मिला. और जो आना चाहते हैं, बहुत मेहनत है, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको ये बहुत पसंद होना चाहिए. और पसंद का मतलब यही नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ ये जो चकाचौंध है आप ये देख के मत समझिए कि ये है काम. हमारा काम एक्चुअली एक लेबर का काम है, लेकिन हम अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं.
बट टैलेंट भी तो होना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं, यू नो, कई बार
I know Salil, one thing I've always said in being a part of the film industry is in my understanding, I've always given temperament over talent, because talent without good temperament does not survive.
That's a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for that. Yes.
कुछ वक्त तक लोग आपको पसंद करेंगे, लेकिन आपने अगर कुछ अटपटा, कुछ मतलब बिल्कुल किसी को मतलब कुछ अजीब सा कर लिया जो लोगों के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, किसी के लिए भी अच्छा नहीं है, आई थिंक, और या तो कुछ अनप्रोफेशनल सा कर लिया जो आपके काम के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, वो कभी आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ाता. तो यू हैव टू बी जेन्युइन टू योर जॉब and love your job and surrender to it like it's some kind of a prayer.